Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the multicasting and multicast routing. Okay, so let's start. So before understanding that what is multicasting or what is the multicast routing, let's recall that in network layer a data segment is present in the form of datagram, and routers are three layer devices. Means if there is a router and a datagram come to here, then okay, a message come here at the physical level, and then it open it up to the datagram level, means network layer, and then the further forwarding is decided on the basis of the address present in the datagram, and especially the prefix of the address, on the basis of prefix of the address. And that forwarding from the router may be of the many types, so let's discuss them. So that forwarding may be of unicast type, may be of multicast type, and may be of the broadcast type. And here this one we will study in detail. So what is the unicast type? Means one source, one destination communication. Okay. And in multicast, that is one source and multiple destination type of communication. And in broadcast, it is of one source and all connected destination. So here we will discuss the multicasting in detail. Okay, so let's take an example. That these are some devices connected to an Ethernet, and then it is connected to the router. It is a whole system. Okay, and then this router is connected to the another router, another router, another router. Okay, and there again these are some devices which are connected to these routers. Okay, and let me copy it again. Okay, so let's say these are the multicasting router, as these routers are also different, that a unicast type of the router can't do the multicasting. So let's say I am taking this layer as determining that these are of the multicasting router and these are only unicasting router. Casting router. Okay. So let's say there is a message that to be sent here. So this will come here and then go to only this router, and then from this router it will go here. Okay. And in case of multicasting, we will use multicasting router, and what will happen, as here is a message that is coming and its destination are this one and this one. So what will happen, it will be one copy of this message which come here will be sent here, and another copy will be sent here, and then it will send it like this. And some extended version of multicasting is broadcasting, that when this message came and it should be forwarded to every connected router, so it will be forwarded to these all three, and then to here, 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 here. Okay. Now if we consider that we don't have the multicast routing, so we can do that work of multicast routing or not? Yeah, of course we can do, but it will be very inefficient. As we want to perform, this is a message 2, we want to perform the multicast of this message with here and here. Okay, then what we will do, this message will come here and it will pass it to the only one router, such as it has passed it here. Then and again we already have to pass another copy of that M2 for passing it to this router. Okay, so first this M2 will come here, and then the second M2 will come here, and then it will be passed here and here. Means it is, these routers are not able to make the copy of that coming message. Okay, so this process is also called the emulation of the multicast with unicast routers, but it is very inefficient. So we needed the multicast router. Okay, so that's is, now let's see some application of the multicasting. So it is used for the accessing the distributed database. Distributed database means some info is stored here, some here, some here, and if the device connected with this required the information that is stored here, so these are distributedly connected with each other, so simply a copy of this one will be created and will be sent here, and then it will be transferred here. So it is the application in the distributed database. Next application is that spreading of news. Telecasting, and one most important application is the distance learning. As one professor and multiple students are listening to him. Okay, so this was all about the introduction of the multicasting. And in the next video we will study about the addressing in the multicasting, or simply termed as the multicasting address. Thank you.